Hello my dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 5, His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty on page number 29 of class 7th. Students, His First Flight by Liam O'Flaherty tells about the need for courage and self-confidence to overcome fears in life. A young seagull looked desperately at the vast expanse of water that stretched before him. His parents, brother and little sister had flown away and left him alone on the rock. So students, this is the story about young seagull जिसमें सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था और उड़ने का हौसला नहीं था. So reading from the first paragraph, the young seagull was alone on the ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. So students, एक young seagull जो कि समुंदर के किनारे पर अकेला था, उसके two brothers और एक little sister एक दिन पहले ही वहाँ से उड़ गए थे और वो जो young seagull था उसको उनके साथ डरने से डर लगता था. Moving on the next paragraph, somehow when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. Students, when he tried to move his wings for flying and reached at the edge, he became afraid. A great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. Students, जो समुंदर था वो बहुत गहरा और बड़ा था, जो कि माइल्स डाउन लंबा रास्ता था और बहुत ज़्यादा फैला हुआ था. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंट हुआ क्योंकि उसको लग रहा था कि वो नहीं उड़ पाएगा, उसके विंग्स उसको कभी भी हेल्प नहीं करेंगी उड़ने के लिए. सो उसने अपना सर झुकाया और वो उसी लेज में जाकर, होल में जाकर छिप गया था जहाँ पर वो रात को सोया था, वो वहीं चला गया. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. जब उसके जो टू ब्रदर्स और उसकी लिटिल सिस्टर, जिसके विंग्स उससे भी छोटे थे, वो एक दिन पहले वहाँ से उड़ गए थे, तो ये चीज़ उसको बहुत ज़्यादा फील हो रही थी कि उसको इतना करेज नहीं हो रहा था. वो अपने आप को उड़ने के लिए मतलब फोर्स कर रहा था, पर वो उड़ नहीं रहा था. इस चीज़ के लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंटेड था. His father and mother had come around the ledge, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. Students, now his parents came and called him loudly and forcefully. अब उसके जो पेरेंट्स आए और उसे फोर्सफुली आवाज़ें देने लगे कि वो वहाँ से आए और वहाँ से उड़ सके. उन्होंने उसे धमकाया कि जब तक वो वहाँ से नहीं उड़ेगा तो उसे भूखा रहना पड़ेगा और उसे कुछ भी खाने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा. बट वह अपनी जान गंवाने से डर रहा था. उसे लग रहा था कि अगर वो उड़ेगा तो वो समुंदर में गिर जाएगा और मर जाएगा. That was 24 hours ago. Since then nobody had come near him. The day before, all day long he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. Students, अब 24 hours हो गए थे उस यंग सीगल को अकेले बैठे हुए और कोई भी उसके पास नहीं आया. वह 24 आवर्स से अपने पेरेंट्स को देख रहा था, जो कि उसके ब्रदर्स और उसकी सिस्टर को अच्छे से उड़ना सिखा रहे थे. एंड दे वर ऑल्सो टीचिंग दैम हाउ टू मूव क्विकली अलॉन्ग जस्ट अबव द वेव्स एंड हाउ टू डाइव टू कैच द फिश फॉर देयर फीट. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it, standing on a rock while his parents circled around raising a proud cackle. And all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. Students, while standing on rock, he had seen his older brother who caught his first silver fish and swallowed it. उसने अपने ओल्डर ब्रदर को देखा कि उसने अपनी फर्स्ट फीड पकड़ी है, उसने अपनी फर्स्ट फिश को पकड़ा है और खाया है. He had been watching his parents circle around and were laughing loudly and feeling proud on his older brother, and all the day his family was taunting him for his cowardice. सारी फैमिली उसको उसकी लैक ऑफ ब्रेवरी के लिए, उसके अंदर इतनी भी बहादुरी नहीं थी कि वो उड़ सके, इस चीज़ के लिए उसको टॉन्टिंग कर रही थी ताकि वो उनकी बातों को सुनकर ट्राई करे और उड़ सके. नेक्स्ट द सन वॉज नाउ ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. Now the sun was rising and he had to face strong sunshine because his ledge was at the opposite side of sun. उसे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही थी क्योंकि उसने पिछली रात से 24 आवर्स से कुछ भी नहीं खाया था. Students, this is the end of this video and the rest of the part we will read in our next video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.